Hey everybody, I'm here at Klein Farms Dairy and Creamery, and we're going to walk around and see what we can see and what we can taste. So join me. There's the Klein's Dairy Store. What did you forget? Don't forget your dog. Dog treats. You want to bring your dog in? Some ricotta cakes, got some peppers, chocolate chip cookies, lots of apples. Nice. They have homemade, they have yogurt and smoogurt. Yeah, I see bacon cheddar, Gouda, mozzarella, some cream cheese. All that cream cheese. Yummy. Huh? Yeah, they have mint chocolate chip, Oreo cookie, strawberry goo, pistachio pizzazz. Their mascot's Pepper. There's Pepper.
And I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you, like me too. Like at the end of the day.
Get a little Klein's Farm cow, 10.75.
Still, you might not be my family, but your family. Like,
They have some recipes here, Glenn. If you want some cottage cheese toast,
Actually, yeah.
you can take it.
I'm pretty sure. I think I have it.
Hey there, buddy. How you doing? You doing good? Yeah? Doing good here? There's a lot more animals down there, and then there's a playground over there for the kids. A goat note. It is normal for the goats to jump the fence and roam freely. Hey there, buddy. Hanging out in the shade? Yeah? Hey there. What are you doing? You coming in here? Hi. Oh, there's a duck. Hi, buddy. There's a pig here. Chicken. Oh, oh, big boy. Hey, buddy. No, I don't have any food. Sorry. Who's over here? Oh, I see some cows. Hey there. How you doing? Taking a nap? Laying down? Just gonna relax? Yeah? Just hanging out there in the shade? And you can see this is a real working farm. All the fields over there. Looks like maybe a few grapevines here. Then there's a picnic pavilion down there. And then you can see the silo, the grain silo, and all the farm buildings down there. And they have some playgrounds here for the kids to play on. And they also have food that you can feed the animals, and they have hand washing stations up here. So you'll see right up here on the right, there's some sinks there to wash your hands. Okay, if you're coming to Klein Dairy, there's some rules here. Do not climb the tree, and please do not chase any animals. We have another picnic pavilion up here where you can eat your dairy treats.